All right, so these two fenders are staying for a maximum of 1 week at my place. After that, they're getting thrown in the dumpster. So, you want a fender? I can sign it. I'll date it for you. You pay for shipping and you can take it. That's what we're gonna do with these fenders. So, if you want them, hit me up. Let me know. If you want the one from the accident, which is this one, or the better one, pick your poison. Pay for shipping, I'll ship it to you. You can come get it, I don't really care. What's up, kids? Welcome to a new video. This is gonna be like multiple videos put together. I don't know the order how it's gonna work, but I've been doing work at the apartment recently and they're pressure washing stuff again. It's loud, it's obnoxious, so we're kind of filming an intro to what we've already done because I don't know if I'll be able to use that footy, so that's what we gotta do. Before we jump into the content of today's video, we have some merch to talk about. Can't remember if I ever put this in the videos, but we have some super rad stickers for sale that are funding Fix the FC. So these are $6 each, $2 shipping, anywhere in the country. I've shipped some international stuff, and for you guys, we're gonna have to talk about shipping because it's expensive. So it's not really that expensive. I think it's like $5 or some shit. But if you are international, watch the channel, and want some things, just let me know, and I'll talk to you, and we can work it out. So, running in the 90 stickers, designed by my friend Owen. So those are pretty rad. Get those today. I think I bought 100. I think I sold 60 so far. So there's a wee bit left, but get yours before they run out. Our buddies over at S3 Mag, Wooly, he sent me a little thing. I don't know if it was a feel bad. Hey, you crashed your car, so he sent you a thing. But they know I like shiny stuff, and I got some sparkly stickers. So as I was saying, S3 Mag knows I like shiny stuff. So thank you, Wooly, and everybody over at S3. Definitely stoked. That's weird. All right, camera's not thrilled what we're doing, but we have a thing of water. We got a surprise for y'all for the race car, so let's go downstairs and check it out. All right, so as we know, the race car's been crashed. Not my fault, so we're good. But we're just getting some new things for the car. Working on some, since we have damaged body, we're getting some new body panels. We're getting some new coilovers from Fortune. We're getting a lot of new things. One thing my wheel's been lacking for years, which the internet loves to tell me all the time. Hey bro, your wheels suck. Well, now we got some cool wheels. Here are two of them. The other two are upstairs. I'm not bringing them down yet, but we have, in my opinion, some real rare hot boy shit. These are Ray's wheels, for one. Where's the sticker? That sticker says Ray's. It says Ray's over here. So they're Ray's wheels, which is dope. They are two-piece Ray's Mazda Speed wheels, which also makes them cooler. And then the other cool factor of this is they were made as a replica of the Le Mans wheel that was on the 787. And I think that is the coolest part. So we have 17 by 9 plus 34 and 17 by 8 plus 30. I actually have another homie that's got a pair of 9s that I'm gonna buy from him so we can have a square set, but you know, not bad start of the day. The wheel game is definitely getting a lot stronger for the FC now, and I'm very stoked about this. So what we gotta do today is kind of clean them up. They came from Japan. They have some corrosion on them on the inside of the barrels, so that's what we're gonna fix today. As you can see, all that corrosion and pitting, we're just gonna sand it down and make her all shiny again. Then we'll do the lips and stuff, but I just want to focus on the barrels for now. So we're going to get to wet sanding. We've got lots of different sandpaper and water. First little just light pass of sanding, and they're looking mint. Alright, so here's our first kind of pass with 320 grit. Now we'll hit it with 400, 600, and like just go to 1,000. Kind of try to polish nicely. We still got gunk down by the face, but to be honest, I don't want to take the face off because I'm worried about breaking hardware because this stuff looks kind of bad. So I don't know how easy it is to get hardware for it, so that'll be probably an adventure for later. But no, I mean, you definitely look a lot better considering. Let me flip the other one over. Actually, that one's not that bad, but it's still pretty gross. This one was by far the worst, which is why I started with this guy. So we'll switch to 400 now, and then we'll go to 600 and see what happens. Wow, I wasn't recording any of that I just did. So, cool. Well, we have 2 wheels done. I always forget how much it sucks to sand wheels, and then I do it again and I remember, oh yeah, this is actually horrible. So, have about 2.5 hours of work into these. And all we did was barrels. So we hit the inner barrels with 320, 400, 600, 800, 1,000 grit. I quickly polished the lip of this one with some polishing compound. Kind of worked, not the best. Don't know what I'm gonna do here, so getting this polish compound out sucks. This was not a great idea. Pretty good. The other 2 wheels aren't nearly as bad. I'll go show you all them, and then I'll have to tackle those too. So overall, this is like one we haven't cleaned, those 2 haven't cleaned. Those 2 look nice, but the 9s were definitely by far the worst. The 8s are alright, so these shouldn't be too hard to do. I'll not do those on camera. You guys don't need to see me polish 4 freaking wheels. So that's about it for this video. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of the wheel choice and if they're cool or not, if you like them. Then, yeah, we'll get those things done. And I'm looking for hardware. I didn't want to take the faces off because I didn't know where to buy hardware or where you can find it, and I don't want to break them, so then I'd be shit out of luck. So if you know where to find hardware, drop a comment, please let me know. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We will see y'all later. Bye y'all. Hey kids, so we are going to, whoa, it's bright. It's a little foggy out here. Of course. Is this battery seriously almost fucking dead? What's up kids? Welcome to another video. We have work going on. Ty's dealing with Rusty Cummins and we're dealing with the FC. So we have some FC parts that have come in. We've got our tie rod bellows. We have our inner tie rods. We have ball joints. My buddy Jacob hooked me up with some new to me unwrecked S4 control arms, and we have a bit of a wide body. So we'll talk about the wide body for a second. As we all know, my FC2000 bumper is eBay from VS Aero. Was it good? Yeah, it was really good. Good quality, good. We had to massage some fitment, but overall it was great for the price. So we picked up some Taman Design VS Aero fenders. And they're super light. They're fiberglass and whatever. plastic. I don't know, FRP, whatever the hell that is. And they're 25 mil wider than factory ones. So we're going to pull that fender off and get started and just tape this on there, see what it looks like. Here's a look from our stock fender to the new fender. So we've got our pan speed arches, which are really rad, but they're gonna have to go for this rendition of the car. So I think I'm gonna send those up to my buddy in Canada, Mr. Josh. They can live on his car, but it's gonna look really rad. So this camera's about to die, so we'll switch to iPhone cam. And we'll put this on, tape her in, kind of put the car back together, see what it looks like. I have to tape it. Well, we have a wide body boy. Let's move some shit out of the way. The Cummins is preventing y'all from seeing. Alright, so back to cell phone cam. I haven't used cell phone cam in a while. Pretty much hate the iPhone. Welcome. Alright, so factory fender. The other one has seen better days. Wide body boy. So, definitely looks wider. Goes out to the mirror, which is pretty cool. Maybe a little past the mirror. Both sides look nice. I don't think these things will be that hard to fit up, actually. Here's our other view. Nice little gap there. We'll have to suck it in, obviously. And then I think we're gonna add a vent. Basically kind of right here. We'll just stick a vent in there. Need to measure that, so we'll do that tonight. So we're pulling off the those guys, fender flares, getting ready for Josh or whoever the hell wants them. They've been used, but they're nice. They'll work. So let's get to drilling. Master. Ooh, got some rubber on that, Johnny. I mean, it's fine. Overall, pretty good. Wow, this camera angle sucks. All right, so these two fenders are staying for a maximum of 1 week at my place. After that, they're getting thrown in the dumpster. So, you want a fender? I can sign it. I'll date it for you. You pay for shipping and you can take it. That's what we're gonna do with these fenders. So, if you want them, hit me up. Let me know if you want the one from the accident, which is this one, or the better one. Pick your poison. Pay for shipping. I'll ship it to you. You can come get it. I don't really care. Now let's put the hood on. I want to see if I can put the bumper on. Well, it's getting dark and we can't really see much, so this might be a continuation for tomorrow. But we look like a car again, so that's cool. We'll put the hood on and kind of see where we're at. Overall, the fitment on these things is just pretty mint, in my opinion. They fit really nice. They look good. The quality's fine. I didn't see like any issues with quality. Like our bumper took some work to fit, but I think our fenders are actually going to fit really well. So that's kind of where we're at right now. This video could suck. I don't really know. I'm trying to think. Show off the Spies. Wear Spy sunglasses, kids. They're nice. Speaking of which, I got a nice cut from my barber Julian today, and he did a dope job with these lines. I don't think this person's ever been on the channel before. He's a new addition to the team. channel. I've had him for a long time. He's been a pretty good team member for the memes and stuff. But I'd like to introduce you guys to Rotary Pig. Rotary Pig is a new team member. He's actually like, I don't know what. So Rotary Pig's been shit on the hood for like a week, and then I came out and Rotary Pig was sitting under the car, and then Rotary Pig was on the roof. So someone keeps moving Rotary Pig, but he's our new team member. So welcome him, say hi. He has his own opinions, and he'll be a good addition to the team. So we're trying to figure out names for him. So far he's just Rotary Pig, but we don't know. Rotary Pig's thoughts on the wide body and whatnot. Excellent opinion there, Rotary Pig.
Just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
I disagree with Rotary Pig on pretty much everything. So let me know your guys' thoughts, and we will catch y'all later. Bye, y'all.